So you see a difference in complexity, but it still pulls that approach that's super accessible to any student. So that's really more of what you'd see in the high school book. The other focus was to really make it different because high school students have had so much grammar instruction, they've had numerous worksheets, they've had a lot of instruction. So the focus was to have it look and feel different, to be more appealing and intriguing. Another difference you'll see is in the high school book, instead of one sentence, the students might be analyzing 2 or 3 sentences. And we did that because there's very overt connections to analytical writing and analysis of reading. So you use the convention and the pattern to actually shift to your reading instruction. And so that was another thing with high school because their schedules are so tight. They have to fit a lot into it.